Hello everyone, this is Dan from Canadian Family. Have you ever wondered why is the noise inside the cabin when you're driving? Well, a user found that the issue is this little gap here, hard to see. So I'll fix this today. So I got this big spool of whatever foam, and I'm just gonna took the material there, use this thing, and then cut it out. That's all. That solves the problem. Easy like that. So let me just cut out. Ta-da! Problem solved.